is a great way to communicate with family and friends and let them see the things the way you do. This video will serve as a visual guide to using the Panasonic DVX-100B video camera. Communication with video is easier than you think. Before you get started shooting video, we need a few supplies. In order to shoot great video, you will need the following things: camera, the DVX-100B, a tripod, a charged battery, a white piece of paper, and a mini DV tape. Before you get to your shoot location, load the battery into the camera. First, raise up the viewfinder of the camera to reveal the battery compartment. Next, position the battery so the contacts face down and toward the camera. And press the battery into the battery chamber. Then, turn the camera on by pressing the safety latch on the power button and slide the lever to the on position. Next, we will load the tape into the camera. With the camera still turned on, press the blue open latch and pull the tape chamber all the way out. The inner metal tape chamber will then open automatically. Place the tape in the chamber as shown. Once the tape is inserted, press where indicated on the metal chamber and wait for it to drop. Then, close the outer chamber by pressing the plastic door closed. Next, switch the camera off by again pressing the safety latch and sliding the power ring to the off position. You are now ready to move to your shooting location and shoot some great video. Once you have arrived at your location, open your tripod by extending the legs as shown. Once the tripod is set up, slide the plate on the bottom of the camera into the channel on the top of the tripod. Then, lock the tripod onto the camera as shown. Once the camera is securely on the tripod, turn the camera back on by again pressing the safety ring and rotating the power dial to the on position. Next, you will need to set the camera's white balance. Have a helper stand a short distance away from the camera in the same light setting you will be shooting in. Then, using the zoom control as shown here, zoom in all the way on the white piece of paper. Next, press the AWB button located on the front of the camera. The screen on the camera will then display AWB OK. You can now have your assistant come out of your shot. Now it's time to shoot your video. First, set up how you would like your shot to appear on the screen. Once you are happy with the shot, press the red record button in the center of the power dial. The screen will then display REC and the code display on the screen will begin to change. While recording, you can adjust the camera zoom and also pan and tilt using the tripod. Once you are finished shooting, be sure to stop the recording by again pressing the red record button. The screen will change to pause and the time code display will stop moving. To watch your video back on the spot, press the VCR button located to the left of the battery compartment and use the joystick controls above the screen to control playback, much like you would on an old VCR. There you have it, the basics for shooting video. For more detailed instructions, be sure to read the instruction manual included with your camera. Now, go out and try it for yourself. Happy shooting!